Hello everyone! There is such an excavator. Sales rank first every year. The market share is also ranked first. Such an excavator with both popular sales and word of mouth. What kind of excavator is it? Ladies and gentlemen, let's explore together with my lens. The bucket adopts a 0.65 square reinforcement bucket. The forearm is 2.5 meters long. Arm 4 meters 6. The largest chassis in its class. Track width 2590. Track length 3648. The track pads are 20-ton track pads. 600 track pads. Let's get in the car and take a look, up and down stairs. Adopted a 3-step ladder unique to XCMG. Here is XCMG's customized rotary motor and multi-way valve. Let's take a look at the engine. This car uses Cummins 4.5 4-cylinder direct injection, turbocharged engine. Power 96 kilowatt. Powerful. Direct injection does not pick oil. No need to add urea. Okay, let's solve the mystery. This excavator is ours. XCMG's King model, XE155GA. Let's look at the hydraulic pump. Large displacement tandem double pump. Positive flow hydraulic system. Fast response time. Good handling. This is followed by DPF. No need to add urea. 100 hours of non-inductive regeneration. The whole vehicle still adopts the mecha style, as sexy and charming. So let's look at the condenser, the large capacity air filter element here. The condenser can be turned over. Easy to clean. Extended maintenance cycle. Let's go to the cab and feel it. Luxury supercharger cab. Anti-roll structure. Effectively protect the driver's safety. One-click start. No need to carry the key. Let's test the car. We'll start with P4. Let's try it. Cold car start is still very silky. The whole car moves smoothly. I'll try to hold it flat. The flattening action is still quite silky. Coordination is good. Okay, let's turn up the throttle a little bit. To do some compound movements. Compound movements are also quite suitable. Handles well. Stability is also good. So that's it for today. Welcome all bosses to come and take a test drive. Needed? Please contact us.